Welcome if you've just joined us this evening. An Exeter-based company has developed the UK's first rapid antibody testing device for COVID-19. The 7-minute triple test can tell whether people have antibodies protecting them from the virus and whether or not they come from a vaccination or previous infection. Lucy Bolt went down to the lab to see it for herself.
A tiny prick to the finger is all these scientists need to find out if you're immune to coronavirus and whether that's thanks to natural responses or the vaccine.
So what we have here is we can see that your S response is quite above the threshold. Wow. So that shows a good antibody response to the vaccine that you had. Yeah. And you're on the threshold for RBD, which means you've produced some antibodies for the RBD as well.
So basically my vaccine has done a way better job than when I had COVID in July and my natural response.
Essentially, so you've got a good response there.
This device was created in Exeter thanks to funding from donations and the university, and it's one of a kind.
The pandemic has been revolutionised by the vaccines. They're clearly working very well, but now we know the vaccines are waning. So it's quite important to know how the vaccine is going to protect you moving forwards. So now you've got, is your vaccine working? Is my front line of antibodies in my nose going to protect me? If that's true, then we can go about our business properly. We know that my vaccine is working. I can imagine being in Waitrose, for example, 1,000 people a day coming through the store. I know that if somebody comes through the store that is infected, I won't get sick.
Another Devon-based company has helped make this device a reality too by making the tech behind it. So Devon is leading the way in helping beat COVID.
Yeah, well, we're very proud. But I personally believe that engineering, should make a difference for people, and this is obviously a very worthy project that can make a great difference.
It's now hoped this device will be rolled out to pharmacies and companies across the UK and potentially across the world.
The future of the technology is going to be able to do this at home. Be able to take a single-use chip, finger prick, put it into the device, and the iPhone or the smartphone on top will then perform the measurements for you, and then you'll get your result, teleconsultation. So we think things like precision fertility measurement will be available at home soon, liver function testing for remission from type 2 diabetes, for example.
We are living in the future.
We are living in the future, yes.
Lucy Bolt, BBC Spotlight, Exeter.